We're Adam and Joanne from InspiredTaste.net, and welcome to our kitchen.
We are making quick pickled onions. These are simple to make and last in your refrigerator for weeks. Think about adding these to sandwiches, tacos, salads, and more. Any onion works, but we love using red onions. As they pickle, they turn bright pink. I'm using a mandolin slicer to quickly slice the onion into thin rings, but you can do this with a knife if you prefer. Add the slices to a bowl and cover with hot water for a few seconds. This step is optional, but we find that it softens the onions just enough so that we can push them into a jar without breaking the onion rings apart. We are using a jar, but other food-safe glass containers will work. Okay, now for the pickling liquid. We need fresh lime juice, so I'm juicing lots of limes. We love using a citrus reamer so that we get as much of the lime juice out of the lime as possible. Rolling the limes on a hard surface first or microwaving them for a few seconds can help release extra juice from the lime too. In addition to lime juice, we add apple cider vinegar. As always, the full recipe with ingredient amounts can be found on Inspired Taste. For some spice, toast cinnamon sticks, whole cloves, and red pepper flakes in a dry pan over medium heat. When they smell fragrant, pour in the lime juice and vinegar, and then add sugar and salt. The amount of sugar is up to you. Check the recipe on Inspired Taste for our guide. When the salt and sugar have dissolved, pour the pickle brine over the onions and then set aside and let the onions sit at room temperature for 30 minutes or so, or until the liquid is no longer piping hot. And that's it. Just cover the jar and store in the fridge for a few weeks. They will be ready to add to tons of recipes. Don't forget to check out our cauliflower salad that has pickled onions added. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.